Imagine creating high-quality ID cards in minutes. No delays, no third parties, and no risks from exposing your data. Whether you're running a school, managing a team, hosting an event, or securing a facility, these top 7 ID card printers of 2025 give you total control, saving time, protecting privacy, and leveling up professionalism. To learn more about each printer, please click the links in the description. ID card printer number 7, the Datacard Group SD360 ID card printer. This printer is a high-performance dye sublimation and thermal transfer ID card printer built for professionals who need a compact yet powerful desktop solution. With dual-sided printing, it enables you to print on both sides of a card in one seamless pass, saving time and ensuring a clean, professional finish. It's especially important for schools, hospitals, small businesses, and government offices that require large batches of identification cards. What truly sets the SD360 apart is its high-resolution 300 dpi output, which delivers sharp text and vivid images, making every card look official and polished. The 100-card input hopper allows for uninterrupted batch printing, minimizing manual reloads and boosting efficiency during peak workloads. Connectivity is modern and practical, with both USB and Ethernet ports making it easy to integrate into existing setups. And while it doesn't come with built-in Wi-Fi, its wired options are more than sufficient for most organizational needs. Security-conscious users will appreciate the optional features for magnetic strip encoding, smart card integration, and even holographic overlays, making it ideal for institutions where access control and identity verification are critical. The SD360's print speed is 4.3 seconds for monochrome prints and 18 seconds for full color, making it a solid choice for environments that value both speed and detail. While it's not built for extremely high-volume operations or those with tight budgets, it excels in mid-range use cases where quality, reliability, and security are priorities. Its ease of use, intuitive interface, and wide platform support make it accessible even to non-tech savvy users. Whether you're printing student IDs, staff badges, event passes, or secure government credentials, the Datacard SD360 combines performance and precision, making it a smart investment for a wide range of sectors. Next up, we've got ID card printer number 6, the Zebra ZC350 dual-sided ID card printer. This is a fast, user-friendly solution for organizations looking to produce professional quality ID cards with minimal hassle. Known for unmatched printing speeds in its class, this direct-to-card printer delivers sharp, vibrant images and clean text with a resolution of up to 300 dpi. Whether you're printing student IDs, employee badges, or event passes, the ZC350 ensures precision and speed, with up to 16 color cards per minute and a straightforward printing process. One of the standout features of the ZC350 is its intuitive visual interface. It has an LED touch display that lets you preview your card before printing, eliminating costly test runs and saving valuable time. Installation is a breeze as it's ready to use right out of the box. Its redesigned hopper and saloon-style output doors make loading and unloading cards incredibly easy, while the snug-fit ribbon cartridge ensures zero guesswork during replacement. You'll also find customizable encoding options, offering flexibility for a wide range of security or data needs. The printer's compatible with USB, iOS, Windows, and Mac devices. The ZC350 integrates seamlessly into most work environments. It's a perfect fit for schools, small businesses, and event organizers who need high-quality prints without the complexity. While it lacks duplex printing and may not suit high-volume operations or very tight budgets, its print quality, speed, and ease of use make it an exceptional choice for day-to-day ID card printing. Next on our list, we have ID card printer number 5, the Evolis Badgie 100 Color ID card printer. The Badgie 100 by Evolis is a compact, portable ID card printer tailored for small-scale, on-demand printing needs. Designed for simplicity and efficiency in mind, it allows users to instantly print high-resolution plastic ID badges right from their desk. It's ideal for small businesses, educational institutions, and event organizers. Whether you need to replace a lost card or prepare for an upcoming event, this device eliminates dependency on external vendors, giving you full control over your ID card production. Despite its small size, the Badgie 100 delivers big on quality. It prints professional-grade cards in full color or monochrome with a resolution of 300 dpi. At a print speed of approximately 45 seconds for color and 16 seconds for monochrome, it handles short runs effortlessly while maintaining consistent quality. The built-in 40-card feeder and output hopper further streamlines the process, reducing manual input and allowing smooth batch printing. Ease of use is one of its strongest suits, as the included Badge Studio ID software makes designing customized ID cards intuitive and accessible, even for beginners. No technical expertise is required. Its USB connectivity ensures quick setup with most computers, and its compact size makes it perfect for tight workspaces. While it's not intended for high volume or highly advanced printing tasks, the Badgie 100 is a smart, reliable solution for anyone needing fast, professional ID printing on demand. Now that we've talked about ease of use, let's talk about ID printers known for outstanding quality, starting with ID card printer number 4, the IDP Smart 31S ID Card Simplex Printer Kit. This printer is a compact, budget-friendly solution crafted for organizations that need reliable, high-quality ID cards without the complexity or expense of industrial machines. Designed for simplicity and efficiency, this ready-to-use printer comes with everything you need to start printing immediately. This includes a 250 print YMCKO ribbon, 100 blank PVC cards, software, guides, and connectivity cables. Despite its entry-level price point, the Smart 31S doesn't compromise on quality. Using dye sublimation technology and IDP's fine image technology, it delivers crisp, edge-to-edge, full-color or monochrome cards with image resolutions up to 1200 dpi. Whether you're printing employee badges, access passes, or student IDs, the output meets professional standards, with color depth of up to 16.7 million tones, ensuring vibrant, accurate branding every time. Another standout feature of this printer is its speed. While its per card rate clocks in at about 20 seconds, this translates to approximately 180 color cards or 720 monochrome cards per hour, which is more than sufficient for most small to medium needs. The user interface features a simple LED control button and a hand feed system that's easy to operate, even for first-timers. Measuring roughly the size of a toaster and weighing under 7 pounds, this ID printer is compact enough to fit comfortably on any desk or shared workplace. It connects via USB and supports Windows 10, 11, and Linux systems, making it versatile across standard office environments. With a robust 3-year warranty and proven reliability, it's an excellent choice for schools, small businesses, and event organizers needing a dependable ID printing system without the extra cost of high-end models. Rolling in next, we have ID card printer number 3, the Evolis Primacy 2 dual-sided ID card printer. The Evolis Primacy 2 is your go-to solution for fast, high-volume ID card printing. Built for serious productivity, this upgraded model delivers blazing speeds of up to 280 full-color cards per hour, 25% faster than its predecessor, the Primacy 1. It uses direct-to-card dye sublimation technology to produce sharp, vibrant prints every time. The bundle includes everything you need right out of the box: color ribbon, 100 blank cards, and easy-to-use design software. That means you can get started with professional quality prints immediately. No guesswork, no hassle. The Primacy 2 doesn't just print fast. It's smart, too. A built-in LED panel gives you clear operational feedback, with an optional LCD touchscreen upgrade that includes QR code display for even easier navigation. It connects via USB or Ethernet and works seamlessly with both Windows and Mac setups. The standard 100-card input hopper can also be upgraded to 200 cards for uninterrupted batch printing. Users love how simple it is to set up and how consistently it delivers premium results. Whether you're printing basic badges or high security cards with magnetic strips, chips, holograms, or laminates, the Primacy 2 has you covered. With printing resolutions up to 300 by 1200 DPI and monochrome and optimized color profiles, every card looks crisp, clean, and professional. It's ideal for medium to large operations that need reliable performance and room to grow. And with a 3-year warranty, you're covered from the start. If speed, flexibility, and quality are what you're after, the Evolis Primacy 2 is ready to deliver. Up next, a trusted option for anyone needing fast, professional ID cards on demand. ID card printer number 2, the Magicard 600 dual-sided ID card printer. This printer is a high-performance, professional-grade solution tailored for organizations that demand efficiency, quality, and security in ID card production. Built for large-scale settings like corporate offices, universities, and event venues, this printer streamlines the card creation process with advanced features and user-centric design. At its core, this printer boasts dual-sided printing, allowing users to create detailed front and back ID cards without manually flipping them, thereby saving time and ensuring consistency. With print speeds of up to 200 full-color and 720 monochrome cards per hour, it delivers excellent throughput for high-demand scenarios. Its 300 DPI resolution ensures that logos, photos, text, and barcodes come out crisp and vivid, enhancing professionalism and readability. For ease of use, the device features an LED display that provides clear status messages and setup guidance, making it easy to work with, even for new users. One of the standout features is its versatile connectivity, offering both USB and Ethernet options to accommodate various office setups and networking needs. It even supports iOS app control for convenient operation. Packed with this many features, it's no surprise that the 600 Duo is best suited for mid to large-scale operations, as small businesses, home users, or budget-conscious buyers might find the initial cost and advanced functions more than they need. However, for users seeking fast, reliable, and secure dual-sided ID card printing, the Magicard 600 Duo is a top-tier choice. And finally on our list, ID card printer number 1, the Fargo DTC 4250E ID card printer. This printer allows you to print professional, high-quality ID cards right from your desk. It's available in single and dual-sided configurations. Designed for organizations that value efficiency and reliability, this compact ID card printer connects via USB or Ethernet and delivers crisp 300 DPI color or monochrome output, with each color print taking around 20 seconds. The dual-sided version handles both sides in a single pass, perfect for users who need extra space for barcodes, data, or branding, while the single-sided use model is a cost-effective solution for simpler needs. This printer comes in a package with everything you need to get started, which include a color ribbon good for 250 prints, 100 PVC cards, and intuitive card imaging design software with templates, logo integration, and custom field options. It has a built-in erase and rewrite functionality, which is great for temporary or reissued cards. A smart LCD screen offers easy access to print commands and diagnostics, while advanced encryption keeps your data secure. Whether you're creating employee ID cards, student ID cards, membership cards, or access control credentials, the Fargo DTC 4250E offers a fast, durable, and user-friendly solution. It supports iOS connectivity, includes free tech support to guide your setup, and comes with a 3-year warranty. Ideal for schools, small businesses, and event managers who want quality without high-tech features. Whether you're printing staff badges, student IDs, event passes, or access cards, you no longer have to rely on slow, unreliable services or worry about your data in someone else's hands. With the right printer, you're equipped to design and produce professional cards exactly when and how you need them. From compact single-sided options to more advanced dual-side models, there's a perfect fit for every setup. Links for each of the printers will be in the description. And don't forget to like if you enjoyed this video.